if log base 2 of x positive, log base 4 of x positive, log base 16 of x equals to 21 over 4, then what is the value of x? In the given equation, we have to solve for x. Okay, let me take the given equation. Let me write the first term as it is. That is log base 2 of x positive log. Now we can write this base 4 as a power. That is 2 square. Let's write this argument as it is positive log. We can write this base 16 as a power. That is 2 to the 4th power. We can write the argument x as it is. On the right side, we have 21 over 4. Now let me consider a property in logarithm. That is log base m to the nth power, and the argument is a. Here, the base of this logarithm is a power, that is m to the nth power. Whenever the base of a logarithm is a power, we can move this exponent n in front of the logarithm. When I do so, I have to take reciprocal of this exponent. The reciprocal of this n is 1 over n times log base m of a. Now, I am going to use this property in the second term and third term on the left side of the given equation over here. Okay, let me do it. Then we have log base 2 of x. I write the first term as it is. Here in the second term, the base of the logarithm is a power. So what we can do is we can move this exponent 2 in front of the logarithm. In that case, we have to take reciprocal of this exponent. The reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. Then we get 1 over 2 times log base 2 of x positive. The same thing we can do over here. That is, we can move this exponent 4 in front of the logarithm. Then we have to take reciprocal of this exponent 4. Then we get 1 over 4 times log base 2 of x equals to 21 over 4. Now, let's consider the greatest common divisor of all the three terms on the left side of the equation. That is log base 2 of x. That can be factored out. Then we get log base 2 of x. When this one is factored out, to get the stuff inside the parentheses, we have to divide all the three terms by the one I factored out. That is log base 2 of x. When I divide this one by this, I'm just getting 1. When I divide the second term by this, I'm getting 1 over 2. And here in the third term, I'm getting 1 over 4 equals to 21 over 4. Okay, log base 2 of x. Now we have to add these three numbers. Okay, what we can do is we can write this 1 as 4 over 4. Now let's multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. Then we get 2 over 4. We can write this one as it is 1 over 4 equals to 21 over 4. Here we have multiplication. So log base 2 of x times, here we have the common denominator 4. When I add the numerators 4, 2 and 7, I am getting 7. That is, we get 7 over 4 equals to 21 over 4. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 4 over 7. Okay, let me do it. That is log base 2 of x times 7 over 4. I multiply the left side by the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 4 over 7. So right side also we have to multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 4 over 7. That is, I multiply both sides of the equation by 4 over 7. Okay, here this 4 will cancel, 7 will cancel. We get log base 2 of x. Here this 4 will cancel. 7 goes into 7 one time, 7 goes into 21 3 times. We get 3 on the right side. Okay, now we have a logarithmic equation. Let's convert this equation to exponential form. If I want to convert this equation to exponential form, consider the part which contains logarithm. So here we have logarithm on the left side of the equation. Now consider the logarithm along with the base 2. Now it has to be moved to the right side of the equation. When I move this stuff to the right side of the equation, we have to ignore this logarithm. Consider only the base 2 on the right side. The value which already exists on the right side will become the exponent. We have x on the left side of the equation. Now I have converted this logarithmic equation to exponential form. Okay, x equals to the value of 2 to the third power is 8. Okay, the given equation I have solved for x, the value of x is 8.